Hey everyone, my name is Chiara Rigaud and I am a second year Aux. I'm here to explain to you how to get your Tarjeta de Coordenadas and also accessing Seneca and what that all means and consists of. So before I begin to tell you how to get your Tarjeta de Coordenadas, let me explain to you what it is and why it's so important. As former or newer Auxes, you may know there is a lot of paperwork that has to be completed. This year, the documents we need to sign and or complete are going to be uploaded through Seneca. For example, our schedules for each month must be uploaded and signed on Seneca at the end of each and every month. Now you may be thinking, how on earth do I do that? Well, I got you. The next video will show you how to do that. To get our Tarjeta de Coordenadas, use the link seen in the video. The link will also be provided again after the video. After you put in this link, this is going to be your first page, your opening page, if you will. You have your usuario IDEA, which is also your username, and your contraseña, which is your password. If you happen to not have this information as of yet, do not worry. You can get this information from your coordinator and or director. They should be able to have it, and they'll give you the username provided. And then they'll also give you a temporary password for you to change whenever you can. I recommend doing it immediately after you get an email saying that this is your account. So the next page you see is after entering your login information. On the top right, it will say your full name. My page looks a bit different than yours will if you don't have your tarjeta. I'll show you a screenshot of what yours will look like. The main difference is the text under estado will say todavía no ha solicitado su tarjeta. And on the top left, it says solicitar nueva tarjeta in green instead of green. Click solicitar nueva and download your Tarjeta de Coordenadas. This is what the card will look like. My numbers are blocked out because everyone's numbers are individualized. You'll be using your numbers as a virtual signature on Seneca. If for some reason it still doesn't download immediately, under solicitar nueva, there's a word that says duplicar below. If it still doesn't download after hitting duplicar, check the browser you're using. For example, if you're using Safari, use Google Chrome. Moving on to Seneca and accessing it. This is what Seneca looks like. The link above will again be provided at the end. Log in with the same information you used to download your Tarjeta de Coordenadas. On the next page, you will click on Auxiliar de Conversación. And once that's done, you are going to be brought to the main page. Normally it's blue, but I changed mine to green. On the top right, there are three icons. Click the one in the middle that looks like gears. Under there, it says Bandeja de Firmas, Verificar, and Documentos Solicitados. On Bandeja de Firmas, for mine, it has two documents that I have already signed. Both say Horario, which is my schedule. The next page I open up is my Horario. So you can see I have highlighted in green where you would normally sign, where it says FDO. With your Tarjeta de Coordenadas, it will sign virtually. All you have to do is put in the numbers it asks for. For example, I will show you, your tarjeta. For example, it would say, let's say it was 8G. So you go to 8G and then you find the number, which in this case is 408 as an example. Enter that number and your documents are signed. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, let us know.